Welcome back to our channel. So today let us discuss about thinning of hair after age of 30. So what are the causes and treatment options available to treat thinning of hair? So main cause of thinning of hair after 30 is stress. Nowadays people are facing lot of stress in their daily works and also in their personal lives. So due to unmanaging stress and all causes thinning of hair, and also any stressful events that has occurred past 2 to 3 months. So next common cause is hormonal imbalance. After 30 years of age, men faces hormonal imbalances like increase of cortisol, thyroid issues, and also decrease of testosterone. All these hormonal imbalance leads to weakening of hair follicles, that leads to thinning of hair, and also DHT hormone that causes hair fall and also thinning of hair in men. Most common cause is nutritional deficiency. In men who follow strict diets or crash diets, they notice as nutrition deficiencies like low zinc, iron, and also deficiency of biotins. All these nutrition deficiency leads to thinning of hair follicles, that leads to baldness. And few people notice thinning of hair who doesn't maintain scalp conditions, like they doesn't wash regularly, who has fungal infections, scalp psoriasis, dandruff. But all these unhygienic practices may lead to thinning of hair. Last common cause is hereditary cause, which is called as androgen alopecia. In this, people notice hairline receding, which gradually progress to crown. First of all, it starts with thinning of hair from hairline to crown, and then it leads to baldness. So people who doesn't maintain lifestyle modifications or any lack of physical activity, circulation, exercises, and also lack of sleep, all these factors leads to thinning of hair. And thinning of hair can also be seen in people who take medications like antidepressants and anti-diabetic and blood pressure medications, and also thyroid medications, any contraceptive pills. All these may lead to thinning of hair as well. So now let us know about the treatment options available. Main treatment options available to reduce the thinning of hair or to reduce the hair fall is applying minoxidil 5% or 2%, and using finasteride 1 mg, which is a DHT blocker. So before using these medications, you go nearest dermatologist and done your scalp analysis and discuss about your problems, and then start using these medications. And you can also use a new multivitamins like biotins, and also you can go for PRP therapies. By doing all these measures earlier, you can stop thinning of hair that leads to baldness. So I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching this video.